6.770. 6.770, and she's still got another run. All right, up on the dot now is yesterday's Extreme Vertical winner. This is Charlie Bucket from over in McDonough, Georgia.
You'll see one that's always friendly, and then they just freaks out.
One of the recent additions to the Dixie Dog Club family. Got him set. Gives us a signal. Ready, set, go. There goes Charlie.
Good job, Charlie. Good job, Charlie. All right.
Charlie Bucket!
Excellent, Charlie.
See what Charlie's first run was. 6.995. Great run, Charlie.